Hi, Sally.
Hi, John.
Where have you gone? Where have you gone?
I had gone to the market. I had gone to the market.
Who went with you? Who went with you?
My sister went with me. My sister went with me.
The one in the red dress was your sister? The one in the red dress was your sister?
No, the one in the blue dress was my sister. No, the one in the blue dress was my sister.
What did you buy from there? What did you buy from there?
We brought toys, chocolate and chips from the market. We brought toys, chocolate and chips from the market.
How did you all go? How did you all go?
We went by walking. We went by walking.
How did you arrive when you came back? How did you arrive when you came back?
We came back by bus. We came back by bus.
Did you find everything you needed at the market? Did you find everything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything there. Yes, we found everything there.
Where was your dad yesterday? Where was your dad yesterday?
My dad went to the office. My dad went to the office.
What did your mom do before? What did your mom do before?
My mom used to be a teacher. My mom used to be a teacher.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I watched TV. I watched TV.
Did you cook dinner last night? Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I cooked pasta. Yes, I cooked pasta.
Where did you go on the weekend? Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park. I went to the park.
Did you? In your room this morning? Did you? In your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it. No, I didn't clean it.
What time did you wake up yesterday? What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7:30 a.m. I woke up at 7:30 a.m.
Did you visit a friend last week? Did you visit a friend last week?
Yes, I visited my friend. Yes, I visited my friend.
What did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had cereal. I had cereal.
Did you play games with your siblings? Did you play games with your siblings?
No, I didn't play any games. No, I didn't play any games.
Where did you travel on your last vacation? Where did you travel on your last vacation?
I went to the beach. I went to the beach.
Did you study English last night? Did you study English last night?
Yes, I studied for an hour. Yes, I studied for an hour.
What did you wear to the party? What did you wear to the party?
I wore a dress. I wore a dress.
Did you take a shower this morning? Did you take a shower this morning?
Yes, I took a shower. Yes, I took a shower.
What movie did you watch last weekend? What movie did you watch last weekend?
I watched a comedy. I watched a comedy.
Did you water the plants in your garden? Did you water the plants in your garden?
No, I forgot to water them. No, I forgot to water them.
Where did you find your lost keys? Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them in the kitchen. I found them in the kitchen.
Did you visit a museum last month? Did you visit a museum last month?
No, I didn't visit any museums. No, I didn't visit any museums.
What did you drink with dinner last night? What did you drink with dinner last night?
I had water. I had water.
Did you read a book before bedtime? Did you read a book before bedtime?
Yes, I read a novel. Yes, I read a novel.
Where did you meet your best friend? Where did you meet your best friend?
I met them at school. I met them at school.
Did you help your parents with chores? Did you help your parents with chores?
Yes, I helped with the dishes. Yes, I helped with the dishes.
What did you have for lunch yesterday? What did you have for lunch yesterday?
I had a sandwich. I had a sandwich.
Did you watch a soccer game on TV? Did you watch a soccer game on TV?
No, I didn't watch any games. No, I didn't watch any games.
Where did you go on your last birthday? Where did you go on your last birthday?
I went to a restaurant. I went to a restaurant.
Did you listen to music in the car? Did you listen to music in the car?
Yes, I listened to my favorite songs. Yes, I listened to my favorite songs.
What did you draw in your art class? What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a beautiful sunset. I drew a beautiful sunset.
Did you visit the zoo last summer? Did you visit the zoo last summer?
No, I didn't go to the zoo. No, I didn't go to the zoo.
Where did you go shopping last weekend? Where did you go shopping last weekend?
I went to the mall. I went to the mall.
Did you bike to the park yesterday? Did you bike to the park yesterday?
Yes, I rode my bike. Yes, I rode my bike.
What did you bake for the bake sale? What did you bake for the bake sale?
I baked cookies. I baked cookies.
Did you swim in the pool on a hot day? Did you swim in the pool on a hot day?
No, I didn't swim. No, I didn't swim.
Where did you buy your new shoes? Where did you buy your new shoes?
I bought them at the store. I bought them at the store.
Did you play with your dog in the garden? Did you play with your dog in the garden?
Yes, I played fetch. Yes, I played fetch.
What did you have for dessert at the restaurant? What did you have for dessert at the restaurant?
I had ice cream. I had ice cream.
Did you go for a walk in the evening? Did you go for a walk in the evening?
No, I stayed home. No, I stayed home.
Where did you go for a family picnic? Where did you go for a family picnic?
We went to the park. We went to the park.
Did you watch a fireworks display? Did you watch a fireworks display?
Yes, I watched the fireworks. Yes, I watched the fireworks.
What did you build with your building blocks? What did you build with your building blocks?
I built a tall tower. I built a tall tower.
Did you visit a relative over the holidays? Did you visit a relative over the holidays?
No, I didn't visit any relatives. No, I didn't visit any relatives.
Where did you find a treasure on the hike? Where did you find a treasure on a hike?
I found it in the forest. I found it in the forest.
Did you plant flowers in your garden? Did you plant flowers in your garden?
Yes, I planted roses. Yes, I planted roses.
What did you discover at the beach last summer? What did you discover at the beach last summer?
I found seashells. I found seashells.
Did you ride a horse at the ranch? Did you ride a horse at the ranch?
No, I didn't ride a horse. No, I didn't ride a horse.
Where did you see a rainbow? Where did you see a rainbow?
I saw it after the rain. I saw it after the rain.
Did you take a cooking class? Did you take a cooking class?
Yes, I learned to cook. Yes, I learned to cook.
What did you play at the playground? What did you play at the playground?
I played on the swings. I played on the swings.
Did you visit a farm with animals? Did you visit a farm with animals?
No, I didn't go to a farm. No, I didn't go to a farm.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
We went to the mountains. We went to the mountains.
Did you attend a birthday party last week? Did you attend a birthday party last week?
Yes, I celebrated with cake. Yes, I celebrated with cake.